angry. Sometimes I wonder if, well, what if I step out and did I step back? What if we never got? What if we never mastercraft? Business like one down the girl them. God, oh man, I got mission. Come become a black. Tattoo, yeah, if you stick on your back. And the type of person fit. Murder fit because they never missed up on them. And if you do that grab purse, I rock shop. Police pull me over with the nigga full of. Shoot out to your set up, skull crack, simple mean. I wouldn't mean this at, but if we never have selectors on this track, oh, they would have never hear this track. God, oh, must say, watch out for this and never. When you know this, if I never see never tap, big go tell them. Never know. They are best friend turning for. My romantic, I know my stars is store. I say that's how the story go. Alright, you never know. Some graphic pound of euro. With a container full of dough. For your 21st time you break. I don't say a hustle man, a hustle. Hustle man, a hustle. Tell them say a hustle man, a hustle. To all the stall vendors and the higglers, tell them say hustle man, a hustle. On the food, so a hustle man, a hustle. We don't stop from try. Most rich man, I don't cry. Yes. Well, man, want money in the pocket and the walk gun go lock it. Crime and violence, you no stop it. Man, want food, hustling. One day, can come and must get rich. In case of one past the place, Zimbabwe build the base. Man, want food, hustling. The bricks man are free. Want some of the money from RBTT. Me wanna read a station, plus me wanna sing. Watch your telephone thing, hey the hot. Who's calling me from a unknown now? So we don't understand no unknown now. Now pick it up if it's a private call. Gangsta no understand no private. Oh say who's calling me from a unknown? No, but we don't understand no. Oh we now pick it up if it's a private. Mix that, so we say who couldn't feel. How them a breathe, no call me phone if you know. If I'm a work for your feet, that's all of the pay. Tap your phones for your like the KG. Well, if you know your number, come the mother call. I'm not go answer if the family. Well, then they're regular, them keep it up. Them call, but me not pick it up, some little gonna start. Mr. Who's calling me from a unknown? We don't understand her. We not pick it up if it's a bribe. Gangsta no take pride. Oh, so who's calling me from a... We don't understand her. We now pick it up if it's up. Youngster no answer the call. I will say hands up. We give thanks and praise to the Most High. Hands up for the Most High, Jah. Highest praises to be to the King, the Almighty. Praises right through. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up. Give praises to the Most High God. Right through. This is my redemption song. Let me sing this. Yo, God, oh my Zimbabwe. Free up, free up, free up, free up, yes. Free up, free up, free up, yes. So what is to be must be. God, oh my freedom. So we now go back here again. Never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like foot we have a feel again. Oh no. Would I never see me call me friend for me a lot. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. Bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Step out and want me one for sure. Oh no. Relax, relax. If you ever been to jail before, now if you keep an eye open even if you a snore. But I can't do it, some man a beat it on the floor. I have to man extra, you're still doing that. That's the water. If you ever been behind the bars, something does make them a feeling for the scars. Cast the sky in the air, you come and run a war. You weak man with it in your cookie jar. Now go and jail again. Oh no. Never gonna feel again. Oh no. God knows I will see you again. Oh no. Would I never see me down the 50 meal? Now see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. Bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Step out and want me one for sure. Oh no. We hustle as a road and make money.
Stick by your Zimbabwe, me say the girl them good. All of the girl them wine bar. Take care of the girl them because them good. Love the girls, all of them look good. Kadoma girl them, me know them good. Zimbabwe, me say the girl them good. No matter where you come from, that me say you represent the girl them in your cadem. Busy signal from Jamaica, say girl. And tell us say all the girl them representing the ladies, you all of them. Me no matter how you look, they don't look good. Say girl you good, girl you good, girl you good. Say girl you good, girl you good, girl you. Take time with the one year, we know them good. Representing ladies, them good. Fix up that sitting the car this good. All the people at Kadoma say you're good. Everything alright and things good. God bless you all thing you know say that good. Don't care for your dead car this good. Woman you clean and nice look good. All of the girl them in ya them good. Represent yeah. Say girl you good, girl you good. Girl you good, girl you good. Girl you good, girl you good. Girl you good. In Zimbabwe, girl you good, girl you good. Girl you good, girl you good. Hold on there, Brent. Hold on there. Hold on there now. Because we are representing for the ladies in a different style. Yes. I gotta check this.